Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to search for topics and hashtags in threads. So I will just open my application right over here, and what gonna do, you will just locate the search icon and tab on the glass icon at the bottom of the screen. So here is my I will on my search bar. So what gonna do, you will just enter a specific username, like example I will just write it David. And when you just enter your specific username, so in the search bar, to find a user account, that app will suggest a similar username, and if you just find it, you will just have to follow it. So that's it. And the number next is that you can also keyword search. You can also search for post using keywords topics. Simply type your desired keyword into the search field, and after entering a keyword, you will see a list of your matching profiles and an option to view posts related to that keyword and topic. So you can just also adding topic tags. So threads has introduced a unique tagging system where you can add one topic tag per post. So these tags do not use the traditional hashtags format. Example, you will just not use like this. So what gonna do is they are entering manually within your post and appear as blue text that links to a stream of related discussions. So when you just search for a topic, and threads will display all post tags and with the topic along with any post containing the keyword, providing a broader view of discussion around that subject. So that's it. This is, you can just search for topics and hashtags easily from here in the search bar. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.